how to delete Instagram Instant. If you have mistakenly uploaded something as Instagram Instant and don't know how to delete it, don't worry, we got you covered. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing first, open Instagram on your device. Now here on bottom middle of your screen, you can find this option of messages, so go to it. And then first, let me create an instant by tapping on this plus icon. So here, let me upload this and let me go back. So if I go again here you will find this boxes on top right hand side of your screen. So tap on it and there you go. This is the one that I have recently uploaded. So if you want to delete it, just tap on it and then tap on these three lines on top right hand side of your screen and then tap on delete instant. So there you go. I have successfully deleted instant. So this is how you can delete Instagram Instant. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.